It's less harder for me not to post because they load all my videos to unlisted. This video will show you 3 things that is keeping you at where you are from not achieving that your dream life. Let's get right into the video. Number 1 on my list is procrastination. Procrastination is a thief of time, guys. Rather do other things. You will rather press your phone. You will rather just lie down, sleep, do anything, but not do that particular something that will help you, that will aid your life. Maybe you are meant to film a video. Be like, oh, the sun has set. Oh, the light is not bright. Oh, I don't have the nice background. Excuses, but your excuses are actually valid. Very, very valid. So are your dreams. So you have to pick the better one. I remember hearing somewhere, running is hard. Not running is harder. Whether you wish to do that thing or not, the both of them are hard in itself, because when you're not doing it, you're not achieving anything. And if you're doing it, you are struggling, you are stressing yourself to shift yourself from where you are at the moment. One thing about us that we forget self-analysis. We create a mental picture in our head, thinking, like building a castle in our mind, forgetting to do the work. Nobody is gonna do it for you. The Holy Book says, I will bless the work of your hands. The one that you are doing, not the one any other person is doing. The one you are doing is what will be blessed. That is what will be multiplied. What will God multiply? Your sleep. He will multiply it though, because you'll be sleeping 24 hours. You'll be boasting that you can sleep for 24 hours. I'm shaking my table. I know. I know. Hence why I'm making this video. This morning, let me tell you that this morning I woke up. Literally, last night I said, okay, I will film today. I was meant to script last night. I said, oh no, today I will do it, because I know scripting will push me to do it. I said, oh no, today that I will do it. Today in the morning, I was like, should I do this thing? I'll now come and make up. I'll now come and do this one. And guys, trust me, my excuses are valid though. If I give you the excuses, it's literally very valid. But then I remember, I know what I want. I want this channel to grow. I want to build a community. And I know what that will take. That will take me setting up my camera, filming the video. Right now, I'm filming with natural light. Do you understand? Procrastination is a thief of time. And before you know it, time has passed. At the end of the year, nothing to show for it. It's the little drops. It's the little drops that makes out something. The 1% of the 1%, yes, is something. The accumulated version, the compound effect, is greater than not doing anything at all. 1% every day for 365 is what? 365 is no longer 1%. But 0% for 365 is still what? 0%. So you better choose your struggle. The only way you can avoid procrastination is doing it now. Can't I do it now? What are the factors? That factor, sit with it, deal with it. Why can't I film this video now? Why can't I post now? Okay, posting is now the problem. See what I will give you the trick that I'm using. I will upload all my videos to unlisted. Now, when I've told myself that I'm meant to post 3 times a week, it's less harder for me not to post, because the likely do is just to go and click it public. That's just, it makes, just simplify your hard tasks. If it is filming content, bring out 1 week, batch create. The first day, just think of ideas. Don't stress yourself. That's the 1%. You have thought of the ideas, write it down. Second day, pick out the most important ones. The third day, you can script. You script them. Once you have scripted your video, it's very hard. Before you see, once you have scripted your videos, it's very hard for you not to do what you are meant to do. Script it. The next one, edit. The next day, take 2 days, edit. When you are done editing, upload to YouTube. It's unlisted. Then the day you feel like, you can now post. That's just life. The same thing with everything you want to do. You want to open Instagram, you want to start a business. That's just it. That's the way you can do it. On to the next point, fear. Fear of missing out, FOMO. Fear of what will people say. Fear of not seeing trying. Which one are you suffering from? Fear of not being enough. Low self-esteem. What? Me self, I'm saying this now, I'm still afraid because I don't know when this video will go out. But guess what? For the fact that I filmed it, I will send it out. That's the worst that can happen. that have not happened, me that is getting 2 views, me that is getting 6 views, what's the worst that can happen? I'll still film it because what? I want to film it. I'll give you an example. If you have a 9 to 5 job, every morning, even every single corporate worker, 9 to 5 girly, hates Monday morning. But guess what? You will still get to work before 9. You will still get to work before 10 because what? They're not smiling. Your guy is not smiling. Treat yourself with that same respect. Start your day by 8, whether you are still at home. Create out time. Just find something. That fear that you are thinking of, people forget. I can just tell you that. Is my hair nice? This one that I'm saying, I'm not the one that is showing you people that my hair is not nice. If I did not say it, probably half of you will not realize. Half of you watching this video will not realize. Fear is holding you back. Let me tell you what can oppose your fear. Action. The third on my list is laziness. Hard work should be your best friend. Every single person that you look up to, check. They pump out videos like, I'm looking at Lucy Benson, somebody that has a 9 to 5 job. Pumps that video like, and when I'm talking about video, 30 minutes video. And then there is me, a beast that is about how many millions. Still pumps out video. He still pumps out video. He did not relax that he has arrived. We that have not even arrived at all, we rather do another thing than to work hard. Laziness will steal your dream life from you. When hard work meets opportunity, that is luck. Opportunity in the form of grace, God decides to favor you. What should God favor me with in terms of, I want my YouTube channel to grow? Then will people come and subscribe to a channel with 0 videos? No, they will not. But if you do your own part, allow God do his. Just do your 1%, let God do the 99%. Your 1% being put out videos, edit it, learn. Just learn your work, put yourself out there. You'll be fine. Trust me, you'll be fine. Hi my loves, my name is Onukwa Chinecherem. I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Give this video a thumbs up.